Sum of radical expressions. To start, we're going to need radicals that match so that we have like terms. So I am going to factor each of these. 45 is 5 times 9, and 9 is a perfect square. It's 3 times 3. So I'll be able to pull out a 3. There's no exponent on the y, so I can't do anything with this. On the w, I can divide by 2 because I'm talking about square roots. And that gives me a 1 with no remainders. So for this expression, I can pull out a 3. I already have a y squared, and I can pull out a w. And what gets left behind is this 5 and this y. So times 5y. So this simplifies to 24y squared w times the square root of 5y. Over here, 20 is 4 times 5, and 4 is a perfect square. It's 2 times 2. So I can pull out a 2. On my y I have a 5. I'm going to divide that by 2, and I'm going to get a 2 with a remainder of 1. That means I can pull out a 2. There's already a w there. And I can pull out 2 y's. And what's left behind is a 5 and this 1 y, so I have 5y. I'm going to rearrange this so that they match. Add them together, and I have 24y squared w, 2y squared w, so these are like terms. So I get 26y squared w times the square root of 5y. Here I have 54uy squared, and that should be under the radical, and 96u to the 5th. Okay, 54 is 6 times 9, and 9 is a perfect square, so I can bring that out. My u has no exponent on it, but my y has a 2. If I divide that by 2, I end up with a 1. So I can pull out a 3 from the square root of 9. There's a u squared already there, and I can pull out that w. And what remains is a 6 and a u. In my second term, I have 96. Which off the top of my head, I'm not thinking of a perfect square in there, but I do know that it'll divide by 3. Sorry, that's 32, not 36. 32 is 2 times 16. 16 is 2 times 8. 8 is 2 times 4, and 4 is 2 times 2. So I have 2 pairs of 2's that I can bring out. So I have negative 8. Those are already there. The 2 2's that I can pull out. I have this u with an exponent of 5, so I'll divide that by 2, and I'll get 2 with a remainder of 1. So I can pull out 2 u's. There's a y already there. And what gets left behind is this 2, this 3, and that 1u. So 2 times 3 is 6u. So putting this together, I have 3u squared y times the square root of 6u minus 8 times 2 times 2. So 32u squared y times the square root of 6u. So it gives me negative 29u squared y times the square root of 6u. Okay. 18 is 2 times 9, and 9 is a perfect square. This x has no exponent, so I can't do anything with that. I can divide this 2 by 2, which gives me a 1. Here I have 50, which is 2 times 25, and 25 is a perfect square. I can divide this 3 by 2, which gives me a 1 with a remainder of 1. Square root of 9 is 3. X was already there, and I can pull out one u. What gets left behind is a 2 and an x. So square root of 2x plus, there's already a 9 here. Square root of 25 is 5. I can pull out one x. There was a u already there. And what's left behind is a 2 and one x. So 2x. So I have 3xu times the square root of 2x plus 45xu times the square root of 2x. I have like terms and like terms. So I have 48xu times the square root of 2x.